So I have the OnePlus Nord CE6, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn this phone on. As you can see, it's currently off, nothing is happening. So to turn it on, simply locate the power button on the side, this one right here, and you want to press and hold on that power button until you see or you hear a vibration, just like that, and you see the OnePlus logo, and wait for the phone to turn on. So wait for the phone to turn on. And there you go, the phone is turned on, and as you can see, for me, I was turning it on for the first time. That's basically how to turn on your OnePlus Nord CE6 5G. Stay tuned for more videos. If you like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care and God bless.